recommended that you wear a cleaning mask to protect your respiratory while cleaning your bird's cage. It is a preference, and I have not chosen to wear a cleaning mask while cleaning my bird's cage. You can also use a water sprayer to spray down the newspaper before changing it, and this will prevent any bird dander getting into your respiratory system.
Hi, Dad! Hi, how are you today?
I always check my birds' toys every single day to make sure they are safe and that there is no damage or any pieces that are too small that would injure any of my birds. I check them over, and then I also look at the links and the clasp on the toy to make sure it's secure. This one has become loose, so I'm going to tighten it up so that Tawny doesn't get it caught in her mouth while she's playing. This is very important to check your toys daily. All of my birds have been fed their pellets and their fresh new water for the day. And now I'm going to have Cairo outside because I'm going to go in and spray down his cage with a vinegar and water solution and clean his acrylic glass. My daughter Haley will be out here supervising. To make your bird cleaning solution, you're going to use 1 part distilled white vinegar to 2 parts water. You can put it in a water spray bottle and label it with a permanent marker. That way everyone in your household knows that that cleaner is specifically for your bird cages. Never use any harsh chemicals to clean your bird's cage. I'm going to make my chia seeds for the birds. So you have to soak it in water. I'm making a lot because I'm going to make enough for 2 days. Chia seeds is very nutritional. And it looks like this. So we're going to let that soak. Next I have my quinoa that I made last night, and I put it in the fridge. And this is what I'm going to give to the birds with the chia seed. I have a lot of birds, and so I have to make big batches, whereas you won't have to make such a big batch. I'm also going to use some mixed veggies for my birds. And again, I'm going to use a lot more than what you would use for just one bird or a couple birds. And I'm going to add in my quinoa that I've made. I make a lot of quinoa. It's a fantastic protein full of nutrients for your bird. So I'm going to mix this all together like this. And that's the quinoa and the mixed vegetables. Now, I did not put my vegetables in the microwave. I do not use the microwave for the mixed veggies. I put them in a bowl and I let them unthaw overnight, or you can use hot water and just give it a couple minutes and put it in your strainer. Next, I'm going to use a zucchini today for my birds. You can use apples, are a staple of mine. We have cucumber. Birds love cucumbers. There's a list on our website at loveyourparrot.com of all the safe, fresh fruits and veggies that you can feed your birds. So I do this every day. You can prepare it ahead of time. You can even put it in the freezer in batches in little ice cube trays and cover that up. My ice cube trays come with lids, and so that helps. So I'm feeding this to my birds. My kids also help with the bird chores. So I mixed in the zucchini with the quinoa and the mixed veggies. I'm going to do some banana. My birds love banana. Now we're getting a late start today. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon because the birds had pellets earlier and I had to clean the bird room. A lot of times my kids are helping with the bird room, but today they had school activities to finish up, so I was solo. Now when you're chopping up all of this stuff, depending on what kind of bird you have, I don't like to cut it too small. I like them to have some enrichment where they kind of have to work for it. You know, this size right here for banana would be good. Cairo, he actually is going to get a bigger one because he will eat the whole thing and he holds it. So I give a big piece to Cairo. We've got Boo and Ruby and Tawny. And then I'm going to mix in my chia. Let me put these big pieces aside. So we're going to put in the chia seed. And I'm going to save some of this. I know it doesn't look the most appetizing, but it is so nutritional for your birds and they go crazy over it. And you can just mix all of this in. And obviously for 38 birds, I'm going to have a lot more than you. So this is our daily routine. The time always changes. Usually it's around noon or 1 o'clock when we're doing the fresh foods. But oopsie, today is a little bit later. Okay, look how yummy that is. Again, you can add whatever you would like on the safe, fresh fruits and veggies list. You can find that at loveyourparrot.com. And of course, there's fantastic videos, lots of resources for bird diets that are safe. This is not a treat. This is a staple that you should be giving your bird every single day. You can change it up. Some days you're going to be busier than others, so you might just have an apple and an orange. Quinoa is a staple of mine for all of the birds. Very nutritional. The thing we're going to do is I'm going to fill some of my water bottles for the birds. And I give my birds spring water or water out of my Berkey filter. I don't give them any of the fluoride, any of the chloramines, any of the chloride, none of that crap. I get my birds. And then we're going to add in some apple cider vinegar. So I only have a few water bottles to fill today because I did a whole bunch this morning. And so I just put in about a teaspoon for the 2 cups. Teaspoon and a half. This is the apple cider vinegar that I use. You want it to say with the mother. The benefits of this are amazing for yourself and your bird. The benefits include proper digestion, vitamins, it eliminates and prevents harmful bacteria, and it balances the acid-alkaline pH level in the body. When adding this to your bird's water, always observe to make sure they are going to continue drinking the water before adding on a daily basis. And we will go into the bird room. It's going to be loud in there, so I'm going to have my daughter do some recording, but I'm probably going to have to mute some of it because you won't be able to hear me anyway. It'll be loud in the bird room. They get really excited when I'm giving them their fruits and veggies. Of feeding my birds the fresh fruits and veggies, I take out all of the dishes and soak them in my sink with this natural dish soap. Then I place all of the food bowls into my dishwasher and wash them. You never want to leave your fresh fruits and vegetables in the food dish more than 2 to 3 hours. I always recommend that you use a separate bowl for your fresh fruits and vegetables in your bird's cage due to this reason. If you leave it in more than 2 to 3 hours, it will start growing harmful mold and bacteria. Thanks for watching.